Frequencies on. Right. Just got back with my sisters. Spent all the day there. Had to go over because she needed stuff. Plus I had to drop off those thingamajigs. And the courier had left a parcel with my downstairs neighbour. So let's have a see. What's in this? I have no idea. Pretty hefty. Could be Batman Eternal volumes 1 to 3. We'll soon find out. Ah, that's where the thingamajig is. Could be something completely different. I have no idea. We'll find out, innit? It looks like Batman Eternal. It looks like more than Batman Eternal. Looks like I don't know. We'll find out. Oh, I see. Well, yeah, it was a 52 issue. It was 52 issues, so they were going to be pretty thick. I thought there were more there, but no, that's fine. Hey, I'm happy with that. Here we have Batman Eternal, Volume 1. Scott Snyder, James the Fourth, John Layman, Ray Fawkes, Tim Seeley, Jason Fabok, Dustin Nguyen, Mikel Janin and Guillem March. Not April, March. Batman Eternal, Volume 2. Scott Snyder, James the Fourth, Ray Fawkes, Kyle Higgins, Tim Seeley, Aaron Guerra, Fernando Passarin and Jason Fabok, or Fabok. And Batman Eternal, the third and final volume. From Scott Snyder, James the Fourth, Ray Fawkes, Kyle Higgins, Tim Seeley, Fernando Blanco, Alvaro Martinez and Andrea Mutti. Hey. Originally published in single magazine form as Batman Eternal 35-52, Batman 28. And this was Batman Eternal 22-34. And Volume 1 is issues 1 to 21. So, 1 to 21. No. Yeah, that's on, yeah. That's okay, yes, it. All 3 volumes. The next one I've got to get is Batman and Robin Eternal. But this is the one that brought back Stephanie Brown, spoiler, into the New 52. So, that's good. That was good, that's good. So, yes. I went to shops just before after coming from my sister's, and I have some right stuff, right material to do trying new things. Got enough material, enough stuff to last a month, a week. Nearly said a month. Remember those 2 different types of cider that I tried from Brothers? I found 4 more types. Tutti Frutti, Strawberries and Cream, Parma Violet, and something else. You'll see it. But yeah, 4 more Brother flavoured ciders. Let's see. And Pepsi Max ginger flavour. Huh? Sweet chili Pringles, That's going to be interesting. Yeah. But yeah, happy with this. This wasn't bad. For 25 quid to get all 3 of those, that is pretty much a fucking bargain. Because, yeah, just one is 41 or 41 would have been 40 quid. So, these are going to be, I'm going to put the, this is going to take me a while to read. But yes, I'm happy with this. I'm happy with this. Whew. I think I'm going to have a rest for a bit though. My niece is not getting any lighter. It's not her fault, she's growing up. But there's going to come to a point when I can't pick her up anymore. Which is sad, but it's the way things go. I think that time will come when I do my back in. I'm like, come on then. My back. Anyway, I'm gonna go have a rest for a bit. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification button, comment, and sacrifice your firstborn to Satan. Not the last one, unless you want to. But apart from that, peace and love you. Frequencies off.